screen was still glowing. The inbox was still empty. Of learning, thousands of forgotten nights. Every language they demanded, every framework they replaced, every promise expired. Refreshed another job board, another rejection, another silence. Somewhere an algorithm decided my future in less than a second. Today I closed my laptop, not because I had finished, because hope had logged out. That labor becomes alien to the worker sitting there. I finally understood what alien truly meant. Rosa Luxemburg warned that those who do not move never notice their chains. I looked around my apartment, suddenly I saw them everywhere. Rent due, savings fading, phone silent, refrigerator humming, rain against the window somewhere. The city continued without me. Open the door. Midnight. Battery. Tomorrow I thought would never come.